Hello children, this is 4th standard max. Chapter name is multiplication. Now exercise 3.4, page number is 40 children. Exercise 3.4 A, multiply. First one, 457 into 764. Now first question, 457 into 764. First multiply with 4 with each number. Okay children. Now 4 sevens are how much children? 4 sevens are 28. 28 means 8 we have to write here and 2 carry out to next place. The next, now next 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 means 2 we have to write. The next number 2 we have to carry out to next place. Then 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 17. 18. So first line multiplication is over with 4. Now with 6 we have to multiply each number. Now 6 into 7, then 6 into 5 and 6 into 4 we have to multiply. 6 into 7. 6 sevens are 42. 2. So 4 carry out to next place. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. 34 means 4. 3 carry out to next place. Now 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So with 4 each number is multiplied. Now with second line leave one space and multiply each number with 6. And first number over second number over with 7 we have to multiply each number. Now with 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 means we have to leave one space and write 49. Out of 49, last number 9 we have to write and this 4 carry over to next place. Now 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 39 means 9. Again 3 carry out to next place. 39. 39 means 9 we have to write. Last number, this 3 will carry out to next place. Now 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3, 29, 30, 31. Now find the total. Add it here. 8, 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 19, 20, 21. 21 1, 2 carry out to next place. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. So 9 here. 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And this 3 here. Answer is 3,49,148. Now second question children, 789 into 321. Now first multiply with 1. 1 with each number. Then second line with 2 with each number we have to multiply and 3 with each number. Now 1 9s are 9. 1 8s are 8. 1 7s are 7 over. Now second. 2 9s are 18. 18 means leave one space and write. 18 means 8. 1 carry out to next place. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So 7. 1 carry out to next place. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay. Now first line over, second line over. Now third. 3 with each number we have to multiply. 3 9s are 27. Leave one space and write. 27 means 7. 2 carry out to next place. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2, 25, 26. So 6, 2 carry out to next place. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. Okay. Now add the total here. 9, 8 plus 8 is 16. Means 1 carry out to next place. 16 means 6 we have to write. 1 carry out next place. 1 plus 7 is 8. 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 1 15. 15 plus 7 means 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 means 2 here. 2 carry out to next place. 2 plus 5 is 6, 7. 7 plus 6 is 12, 13. 3, 1 carry out to next place. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And this 2. Answer is 2,53,269. Now next 985 into 432. 2 5s are 10. So 0. 1 carry out to next place. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So 7. 1 carry out to next place. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. The first line multiplication over. Now second line with the 3. Okay, second number. 3 5s are 15, 15 means 5, 1 carry out to next number, and 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. So 5, 2 carry out to next place, 3 9s are 27, 27, 28, 29. So first line over, second number over, now with third number, okay. 4 5s are 20, 20 means leave one space and write 20 0 here to carry out to next place. 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 2, 33, 34. So 4 here, 3 carry out to next place. 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 3, 37, 38, 39. Now add it here, 0. 7 plus 5 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 here, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 means 5, 1 carry out to next place. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 4 is 15. So 5, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 9 is 12. So 2, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 3 is 4. So total is 4,25,520. Now sixth question children, 881 into 342. So first step is multiply with 2 each number, and second line with 4 each number, and third with 3 each number we have to multiply. Now start with 2 children. 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. 16 means 6. Here 1 carry out to next place. 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. That line is over. Now with 4 we have to multiply each number. 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 8s are 32. 32 means 2. 3 carry out to next place. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 3 is 34, 35. Then with 3, so second line with 4 over. Now third number, next number with 3 we have to multiply each number. Now 3 3 ones are 3, so leave one space and write 3. Okay, 3 8s are 24. 24 means 4, 2 carry out to next number. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2 is 25, 26. Now add the total. 2 6 plus 4 is 10 means 0 here, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 9, 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 3, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 2, 1 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 6, 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 means 1, 1 carry out to next place. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1 carry out to next place, 3. Answer is 3,01,302. Now seventh question, 333 into 480. So first multiply with 0. 0 into 3 is 0. 0 into 3 is 0 only, and 0 into 3 is 0. Now next number, with 8 you multiply each number children. 8 into 3, 8 3s are 24. 24 means leave one space and write 24 means 4 here to carry out to next place. Now 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 2, 25, 26. So 6 here to carry out to next place. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 2, 25, 26, right here. Okay. Now 8 also over. Now with 4 we have to multiply each number. Okay, with 4 we have to multiply each number. 4 3s are 12. 12 means leave one space and write 12, 2, 1 carry out to next place. Then 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 3, 1 carry out to next place. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Now find the total. So here 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, 6 plus 2 is 7, 8, 6 plus 3 is 9, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1. Total is 1,59,840. Now eighth one question children, 920 into 460. So first with 0 we have to multiply each number, then with 6 we have to multiply each number, that is in second line, and with 4 we have to multiply each number. Now 0, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 0 into 9 is 0. That line is over. Now with 6 we have to multiply. 6 into 0 is 0. Then 6 2s are 12. 12 means 1 carry out to next place. 6 nines are 54. 54 plus 1, 55. Now next line, with 4 we have to multiply each number. So 4 into 0 is 0. Leave one space and write next line. Next number, 4 zeros are 0. 4 twos are 8. 4 nines are 36. Now add the total. 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 5 plus 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means 3 here, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, so 2, 1 carry out to next floor. 3 plus 1 is 4. Total is 4,23,200. Now ninth question. 632 into 141. So first 1 with each number. 1 into 2, 1 2s are 2. 1 into 3, 1 3s are 3. 1 into 6 is 6. So first line multiplication over. Now with 4 we have to multiply each number. 4 2s are 8. Leave one space and write 4 2s are 8 here. 4 3s are 12. 12 means 2 we have to write here and 1 carry out to next place. Then 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. Now with 1. 1 2s are 2. Leave one space and write down. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 6 are 6. Now find the total children. 2. 3 plus 8 is 9, 10, 11. So 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 8, 9. 9 plus 2 is 10, 11. 1. 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 7, 8. Answer is 89,112. Now next question. 728 into 299. 10th question. Now with 9 we have to multiply each number. 9 8s are how much? 9 8s are 72. 72 means 2. 7 carry over to next place. Then 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7 is 18 plus 7 is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 5 here to carry over to next place. 9 7s are 9 7 63. 63 plus 2 64, 65. Now again with 9 we have to second number also 9. So 9 with each number we have to multiply. 9 8s are 72. Leave one space and write 72. 7 carry out to next place. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7 is 9 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 means 5 to carry out to next place. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 2 65. So that line is over. Now with the 2 we have to multiply each number. Now with 2 8s are 16. So 6 here, 1 carry out to next place. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 7s are 14. Total is now 2. 5 plus 2 is 6 7. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 15, 16, 17. So 7, 1 carry out to next place. 4 plus 6 is 10. Plus 1 is 11 and 2. Answer is 2,17,672. Now next 11th one, 630 into 731. Now 1 into 0 is 0, 1 3 is 3, 1 into 6 is 6. So first line with 1 multiplication over. Now with 3 we have to multiply each number. 3 into 0 is 0, 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18. Now with 7, third number we have to multiply each number. 7 into 0, leave one space and write 7 into 0 is 0. 7 3 is 21. So 1 to carry out to next place. 7 6 is 42. 42 plus 2, 43, 44. Now find the total of this. 0, 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 9 is 15. So 5, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1 carry out to next place. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And this 4. Answer is 4,60,530. Now 12th question, 239 into 150. 0 into 9 is 0, 0 into 3 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0. 0 with each number multiplication over. Now with 5. 5 nines are 45. So leave one space and write 5 and 4 carry out to next place. Now 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. So 9, 1 carry out to next place. 5 twos are 10 plus 1 is 11. Now with 1 we have to multiply each number. 1 nines are 9, 1 threes are 3, 1 twos are 2. Now find the total. 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 9 plus 9 is 18, 1 carry out to next place, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3. So total is 35,850. Now B main, find the product 430 into 456. So this whole main is homework, children. Now here B main, B main homework sum, children. Here 430 into 456. So here 606 with 6 we have to multiply each number. Okay. 6 into 0 is 0. 6 3 is 18. So 8 1 carry out next place. 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. Then next multiply with 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 3 is 15 means 5. 1 carry out to next place. Then 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Then next multiply with 4. 4 zeros are 0. Leave one space and write. 4 3 is 12 means 2. 1 carry out next place. 4 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17. Now add the total. Similar way we have to try these sums. First do it yourself and check the answer. Verify the answer. Now exercise 3.5, first one, page number is 41, children. A dealer buys 285 keyboards. Each keyboard cost him 665. How much does he pay? So for each one keyboard, dealer totally he buy 285 keyboards. For one, each keyboard cost is 665. So it means one keyboard is a computer keyboard. For one keyboard cost is 665. So how much for 285 you have to find. So directly we can say this is a multiplication question. Okay. Now dealer buy 285 keyboards. Each keyboard cost him rupees 668. So cost of one keyboard, it is given in the question. A dealer buy 285 keyboards. Each keyboard cost is 665. So cost of rupees one keyboard is 665. Therefore cost of 285 keyboards, that we have to find. So here keyboard and cost. Keyboard and cost. Cost of one keyboard is 665. Therefore, how many keyboards? 285 keyboards, question mark. Cross multiply means 285 into 665. So 285 into 665 we have to multiply. So here after multiplying 285 into 665, 65, answer is 1,89,525. So answer is 1,89,525. This is the answer. Now second question, children. The cost of a mouse is rupees 257. What is the cost of a 352 mice? So for one mouse we call mouse. For more than one many mouse we call mice. Okay. The cost of a mouse is 257. What is the cost of 352 mice? So we have to write what is given in the question. The cost of a mouse is rupees 257. That is given in the question. What is the cost of 352 mice? Therefore the cost of 352 mice. So how much 352, yes, find with the cross multiplication. With the help of this you can understand that this is a multiplication sum. Okay, 352 into 257, that we have to multiply. So after multiplying, 257 into 352 is, answer is 90,460, 464. Now third question, a canning factory turns out 568 bottles of a jam in a day. Means for per day, one day, how many jams is produced? 568. For one day, they produce 568 bottles of jam. How many bottles will be produced in 297 working days? For per day, one day, they produce 568 of bottle of jam. For 297, how much we have to find? So this is a multiplication sum. With the help of cross multiplication method, we can understand. Okay, third question. So here question, production of jam per day. For one day production of jam bottle is how much? 568 bottles. Okay, a jam per day. How many bottles it will be produced in 297? So bottle and day. One day they produce 568. For 297 days, how much? Cross multiplication means this is a multiplication related sum. So 568 into 297, that we have to multiply and check. So here total is 568 into 297 means multiply after multiplication you get answer as 1,68,696 bottles. 1,68,696 bottles of jam. Now fourth question, children. There are 520 students in a primary school. Each student pay rupees 155 per month as tuition fees. What is the total amount of tuition fees paid per month? It means for one student's tuition fees for each means 1 per. Okay, for one student tuition fees is 155. So we have to find 520 total strength of that school is 520 students in a primary school. 520 students in primary school. For one student tuition fees is 155. So we have to find the 520 students tuition fees. 520 into 155 we have to multiply. So here statement is, sentence is, tuition fee of a student of A means one student. One student tuition fee is rupees 155. So how many students? Therefore the tuition fee for 520 students. How much? That we have to multiply and check. 520 into 155. 520 students, total is 10. 155 per student. That we have to multiply and check. So answer is, after multiplying 520 into 155 is 80,600. So here answer is 80,600 rupees. Now fifth question, if a notebook contains 260 pages, how many pages do 185 notebook contain? For one book notebook pages are 260. How many 260 pages? For example, this is a notebook. In this textbook, how many pages? One textbook 260 pages are there. 260 pages. So how many pages do 185 notebook contain? So similar type of textbook, 185 textbook, how many pages contain? So 260 into 185 we have to multiply. So sentence is, if one notebook contain 250 pages, how many pages 185 notebook contain? Therefore sentence is number of pages in one book, one notebook, or one notebook. How much? 250 pages. Okay, how many pages 185 notebook contain? Therefore number of pages in 185 notebook. So here 150, 250 into 185, that we have to multiply. With the cross multiplication method we can understand this is a multiplication or division sum. You can try with that also, children. So total is here, after multiplying 250 into 185, 48,100 pages. Now sixth question, A group of 350 people took a train from Mumbai to Pune. Each person spent 590 on a train ticket. What was the total amount spent by the group? Means for one person's each person spent 590 on train. For one person train ticket is 590 rupees. So total how many people traveled? 350 people traveled. So one person's ticket is 590. 590 into 350 we have to check. So total group a group of 350 people. What was the total amount spent by the group? Now sentence in the ticket cost of each person. Ticket cost of how much? For rupees 590. Okay, so how many people? Therefore the total amount spent by the group. So how many people are travel? 590 into how many people are travel? 350 people. 590 rupees for one person ticket and 350 people are travel. So that we have to multiply. So here amount is 2,06,500. After multiplying 590 into 350, amount is 2,06,500. So total amount spent by the group is 2,06,500. Now seventh question. One lorry carries 120 bags of rice. How many bags can 245 lorries carry? So here one lorry carry 120 bags of rice. One lorry capacity is 120 rice of bags. So number of rice bag carried by each lorry or per lorry. How much? One lorry carry 120. 120 bags of rice. How many bags can 245 lorries carry? Therefore, number of rice bag carried by 245 lorries. That we have to multiply and check, children. So here total 245 lorries are there. 245 into 120, that we have to multiply. So after multiplying, we get, after multiplying 245 into 120, answer is 29,400. 29,400. So 245 lorry carries 29,400 bags of rice. So now here 8th, 9th, 10 question is homework, children. 950 bags of cement are needed to build a house. How many bags of cement are needed to build 435 such houses? So here sentence can be formed is, so here number of bags of cement, 950 bags of cement are needed to build a house. So number of bags of cement are needed to build a house is 950 bags. How many bags of cement are needed to build 435 such houses? Therefore number of bags of cement are needed to build 435 houses. So we have to multiply 950 into 435 and multiply and check. Total is, after multiplying 950 into 435, answer is 4,03,250. 4,03,250. Now 9th and 10th question is homework, children. What is the total cost of 375 school bags? If cost of one bag is 900, means for one bag cost is 900 rupees. For one bag 900 rupees. What is the cost of 375 school bag? You have to write cost of one bag rupees 900. Then therefore the cost of 375 school bag and multiply 375 into 900. Okay, children. Then 10th question. Meena makes 450 paper bags in a day in her factory. Okay, in her factory, in a day, one day. So how many paper bags she will make? 450 paper bags she makes in a day. How many paper bags can she makes in 365 days? So you have to write the sentence. The number of paper bags made by Meena in a day, 450 bags. Therefore number of paper bags made by Reena in 365 days. And multiply 450 into 365, you get the answer. So these two sums are homework. 9 and 10 is homework, children.